Thanks for taking a moment to look at this fine pre-owned vehicle from Birdwell Brothers Auto Sales. This is the place to find quality vehicles at great prices. With over 50 years of experience in this business, Birdwell is the name you can trust. All types of trade-ins are welcome, whether you owe money on that vehicle or not. Plus, we have financing made easy, with over 60 available lenders, including many local credit unions. We pick only the nicest vehicles to sell at our store. Most of our vehicles come with a Carfax buyback guarantee. We're just off I-5 at exit 81. Have questions? Send us a note at the end of this video. Thanks for looking!